In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Go High Level to Facebook ads. If you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and enhance your customer engagement, integrating these platforms is a powerful step forward. Imagine being able to manage your leads more effectively and ensure that all the data from your Facebook ads is seamlessly consolidated into your Go High Level account. Well, let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and type in Go High Level into the search bar. Once the search results appear, look for the official website link at www.gohighlevel.com and give it a click. Now that you're on the Go High Level homepage, proceed to log in with your credentials. If you're not yet a user, you might need to set up an account, but assuming you already have one, go ahead and enter the necessary login information. Once you've gained access, navigate to your Go High Level sub-account. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a menu with various options. Find Settings and click on it. Within the Settings menu, look for the Integrations option and select it. This is where the magic happens, connecting Go High Level with your Facebook account. In the Integrations section, you'll notice a Connect button beneath the Facebook logo. Clicking this button is your next step. A window should pop up, prompting you to log in to your Facebook account. As you log in, Go High Level will request certain permissions to access your pages and lead data. It's a good practice to grant full permissions during this step, ensuring that there won't be any roadblocks in the future integration process. Now that you've logged in and granted the necessary permissions, you'll need to select the specific Facebook business page you desire to connect. A drop-down list will appear with all the pages you manage. Choose the one you want to integrate with Go High Level. Next, within the same integrations area, you'll find the Facebook Form Fields Mapping section. Go ahead and open that section. What you'll see now is a list of your Facebook lead forms. Here's your task. Select the Facebook lead form you wish to work with and begin mapping the fields from this form, such as name, email, and so forth, directly to the corresponding fields in your Go High Level contact fields. Once you've meticulously mapped out each field, don't forget the crucial last step. Save your mappings. When you do, it firmly seals the integration between Go High Level and Facebook, completing your setup. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've empowered your marketing strategy with a direct connection between Go High Level and Facebook ads, enabling you to capture and harness customer data like never before. Make sure to join us next time for more tips and tricks to optimize your marketing efforts. See you then.